Hi guys, it's Weeded, and I was working on a painting and pulled out my Jane Davenport acrylics, which I haven't had a chance to use. They're brand new, and I'm gonna try to get this to focus. Look at this. Okay, that is the tube that is split. Now, if it were a tube that was split, and which at first it was, and I thought, oh, well, great. Yeah, I must have cut it or something in the packaging, but it's not one tube. I'm having to tape all of mine. This was the original one that I found, and my, this one was split. This one, look, was split. This one is split. Gosh, I'm trying to get it to focus. You can see the split right there if you look. That one obviously split. And they're splitting on both sides. And they're all splitting. And this one is trying to. If I can get that to focus. Okay. It's rough right there. And I even noticed on one of them that I was looking at, it had been split and the paint is already dried on the inside around the split. So I'm taping all of my Jane Davenport acrylic tubes with packaging tape around the top. So if you have it, I don't know if I just got the packaging on mine was bad. They've not been in direct sunlight. They've not been exposed to extreme heat or cold. So I don't know what it is. But if you have the Jane Davenport acrylics, please check your tubes and make sure, because, and this is the purple, you can, there we go. I don't know if you can, yeah, right there. See that? All of my tubes are splitting, and I'm hoping that I've caught it in time and that this will work. Yeah, see, this is really hard right here. This is the one, get it to focus, where it's really split all the way down to here, and the paint is dried in it. When I push, see, right there, I can't even make it meet. It's all hardened and dried inside. So oh my gosh, please just check your tubes of Jane Davenport acrylic tapes and paints. I'm so sorry, I'm just beside myself. And tape them up, just check them, please. Thank you.